My name is David Rooney. I'm a Professor of Chemical Engineering at Queen's University Belfast. I'm also the Dean for Internationalisation and Reputation and the Academic Director for the Brighton Center at Queen's. So the Brighton Center is a centre for doctoral training. It's an industrial centre for doctoral training. It includes a number of different partners across Northern Ireland, the Republic of Ireland and Scotland. It's funded by the EU under the Interreg programme, and within Northern Ireland it includes Queen's University, AFBI and Ulster University. And then in the Republic of Ireland we work with Letterkenny Institute of Technology, and then in Scotland we are working with the University of Highlands and Islands. Well, there's been quite a lot of engagement with industry, with government, with academics from across all three areas that are involved in the programme. We have held meetings with those people. We've been able to have stakeholder engagement events. We've been able to use those events to identify potential research projects which are of value to those industries, and then connect those industries with various different academics in order to be able to address those challenges that were raised in those events. Well, the point of the Brighton Center is really to address areas of renewable energy, be it in the bioenergy space or in the marine energy space. But that includes a number of different specific aspects. It could be a technology problem, it could be a community engagement issue, it could be an environmental issue. And we've been working with various different people in order to be able to address all of those. So through the work that we have been doing with the various different people, we've been able to identify solutions to a number of different problems. And we can then take those solutions and then apply them to the context of, for instance, Northern Ireland, in terms of being able to find solutions, for example, for biogas production or renewable marine devices and the technologies associated with those, right through to the interaction between mammals and those devices. When we're thinking about how do we actually achieve net zero in Northern Ireland or even across the world, we have to look at the integration of a number of different systems. How do we connect renewable energies to people? How do we actually start to decarbonise our agricultural sector? And that is part of the work that we have been doing between Queen's University Belfast and AFBI. How do we work with farms to actually make sure that they can maximise the amount of carbon that they can absorb from the atmosphere, and how do they valorise that carbon in various different forms, be it in the form of energy, be it in the form of carbon products, but how do we actually work together, and how do we combine different types of technologies from different sectors such as renewable energy with agriculture in order to be able to allow us to achieve net zero in the future.